Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use data exchange. Understanding data exchange is fundamental for modern operations, allowing systems to communicate efficiently. This process ensures that critical information flows smoothly, enhancing productivity and reducing manual efforts. We will cover the essentials, from initial setup to secure data transfer, making your data interactions both robust and reliable. Begin by identifying your specific data sharing needs, which will guide your platform selection. Setting up your data exchange platform is the first critical step. Begin by selecting a platform that offers the specific features and security protocols you need, such as support for over 200 data formats or end-to-end encryption. Next, carefully configure user accounts, assigning appropriate permissions to ensure data security. Finally, integrate the platform with your current systems, for example, your CRM or ERP, to establish automated, bidirectional data synchronization. This foundational work ensures a robust and secure exchange environment. When executing data transfers, preparation is key. Ensure your data is cleaned and formatted correctly, perhaps as a CSV, XML, or JSON file, adhering to the platform's specifications. You can then initiate transfers, either through a manual upload for smaller batches or by setting up automated schedules for recurring exchanges, such as daily sales reports or weekly inventory updates. Always confirm that the data has been successfully received at the destination and remains intact, checking for any discrepancies in record count or field values. Data validation and security are paramount during data exchange. Implement automated validation rules to catch errors or inconsistencies, ensuring data integrity across all transfers. For example, ensure all required fields are present and data types match. Employ strong encryption protocols, like AES 256-bit encryption, to protect data both in transit and at rest. Furthermore, set up strict access controls and conduct regular security audits to identify and mitigate any potential vulnerabilities, safeguarding your valuable information against unauthorized access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.